Hello, I'm Justin Time and this is
Ralph MacBook.
Today we're going to show you an easy way to write an opinion paragraph.
Yeah, this is what you need to do. Introduce your opinion, give the reasons, explain in more detail, and give your conclusion.
What's your topic, Ralph?
How do you feel about where you live?
The best way to do this is the OREO way.
The what-eo what? Blimey, a giant biscuit.
That's no ordinary cookie, Ralph. That's an opinion cookie. The top biscuit is your introduction. That's where you give your opinion. The cream in the middle is the interesting bit. That's where you give the reasons for your opinion and explain for your readers. And finally, there is the bottom biscuit. That's where you give your opinion again, in the conclusion. So there we go, OREO, a great way to write a super tasty paragraph for your readers. Right, let's make some notes, Ralph.
Okay.
It's a good idea to make a table like this in your notebook.
Do we have to give 3 reasons?
Yeah, I think 3 is the minimum. 2 is just not enough. So, how do you feel about where you live, Ralph?
Well, I live in the countryside and it's quite difficult. There are many problems.
Go on then, put it in the notes.
Right, here we go. Work. There's not many jobs around and little variety.
Yeah, what else?
Shopping. Shopping's a problem. There are not many shops and you have to get in the car even if you just want some milk.
Ooh, icky.
And then there's the internet. It's so slow. And it goes down completely quite often.
Oh dear. So, what you going to do about it then, Ralph?
I think I'm going to move to the city, Justin.
Okay, Ralph, those notes are good. There's just one thing though. What's the main problem for you?
It's the work, Justin. Why?
Well, it's best to save the most important reason for last. It has more impact and the readers will remember it.
How's that?
That's great, Ralph. Okay, let's get down to the writing. We're going to need a bit more space now.
Are we going to write in the table?
Yes, if we use the OREO table, we won't forget anything important.
Okay. Many people think that living in the countryside is ideal, but it's not working for me. How's that for a topic sentence?
That's fine, Ralph. Let's just go over what makes a good topic sentence.
Okay, the topic sentence must have your topic and your main point, what you're going to say about the topic. This must be very clear for your readers.
Yeah, and we have to remember that the topic sentence is also the controlling sentence.
Yeah, with this topic sentence, I can only write about why living in the countryside is not good for me. I can't start writing about any good points.
Very true, Ralph. Okay, let's have reason 1.
Firstly, there is little choice when it comes to shopping.
And can you explain that reason?
There are not many shops in my area, just one supermarket. It is 2 kilometers from my house, so I have to use the car.
Good. And reason number 2?
Another reason is that the internet service is very poor.
And explain reason 2?
Usually, it is so slow that I can't watch a video. Even worse, it sometimes goes down completely in the evening.
Okay, and reason 3?
Finally, and most importantly for me, there is not much opportunity when it comes to working.
And explain reason 3?
Most companies have their offices in the city, so if I want to find interesting work, I will have to commute for 2 hours.
Oh, hecky, Ralph. I see what you mean. That's not easy. And your opinion again? Concluding.
Briefly, country living is not as great as people think. In my opinion, it is very inconvenient. I am going to move to the city as soon as I can find a job there.
Nice one, Ralph. Let's take it out of the table and look at it as a complete paragraph.
Ooh, that looks really good.
It is good, Ralph. Your writing is getting much better.
That OREO table is great. It really helped me.
Oh, you forgot the milk.
What milk?
The milk you go for in the car.
Do I really need it?
More information, better for the readers. Yeah, that's a good paragraph, Ralph. Let's look at it in black and white.
Just needs a title now. What do you think, Justin?
Something short and catchy. What do you think, Ralph?
Country life?
Boring. How about City Boy Blues?
Nah.
Well, how long have you lived in the country?
6 months.
So you are a city boy.
How about escape from the country?
Yeah, okay, you've got it. If you ever have to write an opinion paragraph, just remember OREO. Check out the link below this video where you can download a free OREO worksheet.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like, comment or subscribe
Yeah, they know all
if you found this video helpful.